Union Mine is an old mine which was progressively becoming inefficient. And if we didn't do anything to that mine was bound to fall over. Therefore, asset optimization as a methodology, as a practice, was absolutely important for us to turn around this mine.
Union has spread asset optimization right across the value chain. And they didn't haphazardly target it, but they started on the face, there where the resource and the reserve lies.
What they've done in a very intelligent way is to join some of the old working areas to ensure that they can utilize existing infrastructure to get the ore out in a quicker and more efficient way.
We had one block of ground which we would have accessed from surface with an incline shaft. We used one of the current decline shafts, and we are accessing that block now from the existing infrastructure. Because of that, we've been able to save upfront capital of region 250 million. One of the bottlenecks clearly in this particular process is moving the rock. This is not soft mining, it's hard rock, and to actually deal in a narrow stoping environment with this particular rocks was problematic.
The way we used to tip was manual tipping. A load-hole dumper will take the material from the working panel and it will travel up to a dedicated tipping point where you would find a tip attendant to manhandle these material, especially the big rocks. That is absolutely inefficient. And what we've done is we've installed a crusher. The type of crusher that we installed is a roller crusher, which is actually used predominantly in soft rock mining. We are the first site to actually install this type of crusher in the platinum industry, and this crusher actually serves for 3 working panels instead of the tip for each working panel.
The crusher has been extremely successful. It improved productivity tremendously and a big improvement in safety.
We've also redesigned where we transfer the one product from one belt to the next. Previously we had to man each and every transfer point, and what we've done is installed cameras so that it does not require any labor.
Looking at the shift arrangement, how it used to work is we had blasting happening on one shift only basically, and then we had cleaning on another shift, and we had maintenance on other shifts. What we're going to do is we're going to take all those activities that happened over the 3 shifts, cluster them together into one shift and spread it evenly across the 24-hour period so that we can reduce the resources needed to do this and ultimately save cost.
Initially, refueling and maintenance was all done on surface, but as we go deeper and deeper, the time that it takes just became too excessive. So what we've done is we've installed underground workshops. This has reduced the traveling time of these machines from the working areas to the facility itself.
They've also took a brave decision to go for in-source maintenance. And that in itself will bring huge benefits to the bottom line.
For me, Union Mine is an example of where asset optimization becomes fundamental transformation of a business to create huge value. It's not just incremental transformation that we're talking about here. It's a re-examination and change of everything that you do.
If you look at what we're budgeting for this operation going forward, that is a turnaround in being cash positive of over 100 million a year. This is a great example of asset optimization because it encompasses all the areas of mining. It starts from capital footprint from surface. It improves the working cost areas, which extends the life of this particular project or secures it. It brings innovation in the sense of a crusher in this particular application. It is shift arrangements, it is people, it's really all the areas to deliver a huge benefit at the end of the day.
By dialing out all the incremental bits along that chain, we have managed to turn this mine around.
this is a project that we have to make work, this is a project that we will make work, and all the people is absolutely committed to make union work into the future.